Subscribe,
Hi guys,
like,
welcome back to my
share.
YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make your chicken legs socks, peppered socks like that. So as you can see, I have my packet chicken sauce. I actually got this from an African shop. Okay, so you can get yours from African shop if you want a strong one. And we have lots of them in here though. This is sealed one, so you can also buy them by kilo if you want, but this one I actually got it this way from the supermarket. All right, so guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it your chicken legs peppered socks. All right, so just stay with me. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Omorig's YouTube channel. Give this a thumbs up, share this video, and leave a comment down there. All right guys, let's get started. So guys, we are going to start by chopping our peppers. All right, I have my red bell pepper, sorry, I have my green bell pepper. I also have this pepperoni, which we do call this tatashi in our native Benin language. It's called tatashi. Like, it helps to make the food or the stew reddish and pepperish, kind of pepperish. Yeah, so we are going to start by cutting them. So you are removing this, the seed inside, you are removing it. Please don't mind my background noise. So guys, you have to cut this the way I'm cutting it because we'll be needing it for making the sauce. So this red pepper, I'm going to be blending half. I'm going to be putting half right into the sauce like that. So this one I'm blending, I'm going to slice them this way, like I'm going to chop them into these parts, these little parts. So right here, this is the one I'm going to be using for the sauce. So what I have to do is I have to slice this, like I have to chop it so tiny. Please always endeavor to wash your hands, or you can use your hand glove. I'm wearing hand glove because I have a little child, so I don't want to risk anything like pepper. Yeah. So this one will be the one I'll be using for the sauce, right? So right here, we are going to do the same thing we did to this red bell pepper. I'm going to be chopping half of it this way. I'm going to be leaving half for the sauce, right? So guys, you have to follow the same way I did with the red bell pepper. So guys, I'm going to be chopping my onion. As you can see, I've chopped the red and the green bell pepper. I'm going to be putting in my onion. Alright guys, we are going to add our scotch pepper. Like I told you guys, I'm making peppered chicken legs. So as you can see, I have lots of pepper right here, and this pepper is really scotchy. So I'm putting this in here. So everything in here is going to be blended, right? I'm just going to add a little bits of water because we are not blending it to be smooth. So everything in here is going to be blended. I'm definitely going to be adding my spring onion. I'm not blending this, of course. I'm using this for the sauce. I'm adding my spring onion. So guys, you have to slice your spring onion and so 3 should do the magic. So guys, we've blended it. As you can see, it's not so smooth, right? So I'm going to be adding my black pepper and I'm going to be adding my ginger leaf, of course. This one is the ginger root. It does not have this one is not the powder. So we're going to be adding just a little bit of it. I'm going to add 2 cubes of star Maggi. And this thing is strong. Finally broke it. So I'm just going to be adding just 1 leaf of thyme. It's not really necessary, but you can add it, you can exclude it if you want. Yeah, I have my spicy seasoning powder for chicken. I'm just going to be adding a little bit of it. So guys, I'm going to be adding my salt, my water, very little bit of water, right? So at the end of it, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of curry powder. So guys, right now we're going to we are owning our heater, our gas, closing this up and allowing it to boil, to get cooked up. Then we'll be right back. So guys, we fried it enough, so I'm going to remove it. You know, I really love these chicken fingers because you can just sit down and eating it just fried like this, Yeah, here we have them, well fried, so fried and yummy. All right, now we get to the frying parts of it all. So guys, first of all, what I'm going to do right about now, I'm going to put in my onion, my chopped onion. Then I'm going to be adding my green bell pepper, my red bell pepper. Just increase the gas a little bit. So I'm going to allow this to fry. I'm going to put in my sauce. As you can see, there's no water inside. It's not so watery, so you don't have to allow your own to be watery, right? So I'm going to put it in so that it can fry. So you don't have to cover this actually, because we are frying this, yeah. Right here I have my spring onion, so I'm going to put this on top of it. So guys, I'm adding a bit of my curry, just a little pinch of it. I'm adding my salt. And then I'm going to be adding another 2 cubes of my Maggi, my star Maggi. Actually, you can use your normal. You can use any one you do actually prefer. Yeah, I think my baby is actually crying, but our dad is inside with her, so he's gonna play her. Yeah. So I'm going to make sure to stir. Depending on how your sauce is much, depending on how your sauce is much, that's how you're going to put in your Maggi and your salt. Okay, so we are going to leave this. We are not covering this. We are going to allow it to fry. Then we'll be right back, and we are going to see if it's okay and good to go. All right, see you guys. So guys, we are back, and let's take a look at. Wow, this is so like the perfume, the aroma is so yummy. Oh my heavens, take a look at this. This is so superb. And yes, of course, it's fully cooked. So we are going to remove this, put in our frying pan. Yeah, put in our frying pan. Make sure to clean this, make sure it's totally dried up. You increase the gas a little bit. So right now what we are going to do is we are going to be frying, of course, our meat. We are frying it. So guys, now we just have to wait for it to go up, like get hot a little bit, then we'll start frying our meat. So guys, check out my other videos. I just uploaded a video of how I make my traditional okra, right? So please don't forget to go there, check it out, give it a thumbs up, share the video, make sure to subscribe, tell your loved ones to check my video, my YouTube channel out, right? So we are going to fry, just put this in and fry this. you're going to add as much as many you can put in. So I'm just going to add in my fried chicken legs so that it can add the taste of the sauce. So I'm going to pour them in. So my people, here we have it. You can actually use this sauce for your stew. You can use it as stew. You can use it for rice. You can use it for spaghetti. Actually, I'm going to use this to eat my spaghetti. Yeah. So you can use it for your spaghetti. You can use this for your rice. Okay. You can use this for your pasta. This is so good and yummy. Like this, the aroma here alone, man. So guys, I hope you loved cooking with Omorege Bella today. I hope you enjoyed this very episode of chicken legs sauce. It's actually chicken pepper leg sauce. Like, it's pepperish. It's really pepperish. Forget the color. It's really pepperish, right? So I'm going to be releasing a video of how to make your onion stew. Yeah, just with onion, and you're gonna love it. You're really gonna love it. So guys, don't be wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, invite your friends, and leave a comment. All right, see you guys on my next very video. Love you guys. Bye.